All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to episode number 26, Behind the Counter with Nick Allen. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is 2022. That's right, new year, new us, bigger and better than ever. But now, before we get into all those wonderful details for the rest of this year, let's talk about right here, right now. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it is January and we've got some cold water coming into the house. Cold water is fantastic for drinking, but showering, washing those hands, my God, you're going to have to warm that water up. What are our options? How are we going to do it? That's right, we've got some heaters for you. All right, so we do have two brands that we definitely stand behind 100%, and that's State and Rheem. Now, these water heaters are fantastic across the board, but I need you to ask yourself, what kind of water heater do you have? Electric or gas? That's right, a couple of different options there. Now, it doesn't matter what kind of size you need, big, small, skinny, wide, it doesn't matter. We have the right size just for you. Now, one of the other things that you need to keep in mind right now is that you may not need a brand new water heater. But if you don't, let's think about water heater maintenance. What can we do to increase the longevity of your water heater? Are there things we can do? Absolutely. Let's talk about them. All right, so let's talk about doing some maintenance to your water heater. Now, what am I talking about? Whatever I'm talking about, doing some maintenance. What can you do to make sure that your water never stops being hot? Well, if it's an electric water heater, it's easy. You've got an upper and lower thermostat and an upper and lower element. Now, you can quickly and easily replace these if they go bad. And if they do go bad, you can quickly get those elements out with a nice little element wrench. Quick and easy to make your job quicker and better for you. But now, maybe perhaps your pop-off valve is starting to do a little leakage. Well, if it's leaking, it's doing its job. That's what it's supposed to do. But why is it leaking? Well, your water heater has some thermal expansion. Now, if the thermal expansion is happening and it's popping off this little valve right here, there's a chance that you may need to install an expansion tank. Whenever the thermal expansion happens, that water has to push back and go somewhere. What does this little guy do? It takes off the pressure and relieves this valve from leaking. But one more thing, if it does start to leak, where's it gonna go? Is it gonna go to your floor? No, that's ridiculous. That's right, we've got a drain pan. So your water drips out of this, goes straight down into the pan and drips right on out the house. Now this little fella right here, now we have aluminum, plastic, but we also have this little guy right here, which is a plastic, but indestructible. That's right, you can twist it, bend it, run over it with a tank. It's not gonna break. That's perfect for you. Now, with all this being said, we have a great deal going on. Let me tell you about it. All right, so what kind of deal do we have going on? Well, this little guy right here is a 6-gallon on-demand water heater. That's right, it keeps the 6 gallons nice and hot inside for you. Now, is it great for taking a shower? Maybe not, unless you shower super duper quick. But it is perfect for putting out in your shop, out in your garage. Are you tired of washing your hands with the cold water? Well, this little guy right here is a solution. Now, again, these things are not super duper cheap, but they are extremely affordable right now. We are running a little promo on these things for $149. This is a limited time only, limited supply only, $149. We're gonna have them stacked up here at the counter for you. So it doesn't matter if you're a contractor, cash customer, it doesn't matter. Come on in and take advantage of this deal. But we've got a lot of great things that we wanna talk to you real quick about all these behind the counters that you keep seeing. All right, so as far as this Behind the Counter series, we are going to continue doing these videos and keep putting them out there for you. We hope that you guys enjoy watching them as much as we enjoy doing them. Now, throughout the year, we are going to take it even further. Now, last year we had a Beyond the Counter. We're going to do that again this year, only we're going to insert a couple extra episodes this year of Beyond the Counter. We are going to show you exactly how our product is making things better, faster, quicker, and easier for not only you, but for the contractors out there. But until then, come on in, see us here at the counter. We'll see you soon.